Hi there, it's me back up again. It's just a new feature that that Mural have launched recently, which is the Custom Toolbar. So I just wanna introduce this new feature for you. Again, it's a very simple but very useful feature that they introduced, mainly because I suffer a lot with guests on my Mural. They are not used to Mural. They're not used to create sticky notes and move it around or use the different features that we have on the left panel. So this could be a very handy feature that they have launched. So if you click on the custom toolbar and you enable it, you see that all these icons that we have on the panel, they will be available for you to select on a checkbox. And essentially what it does is, if I select just a simple text, for example, which is where we collect the post-its and text, this is actually this is the only feature that my guests will have access to, for example. So if I hit preview, this is just the view that my guests will have when they join my Mural. This is very useful, mainly because, I mean, the guests could be overwhelmed if they never use Mural and they just join and see all these icons. They may get lost on the process of, you know, selecting a post-it here and dropping on the Mural that we want. So I think by limiting the ability of the people on the workshop or on the meeting to use the features, I think this is a very good tool, and this is gonna make the life of the facilitator a lot more easier. So for example, let's just select 3 capabilities here, which are the icons, shapes and connectors, and text, and hit preview. So mainly this is what the user will face when they enter in our Mural. So this is a very quick video just to introduce this new feature and how it's supposed to work, and I believe this is gonna be really helpful going forward, and I really plan on using it. So hopefully this was useful for you as well, and yeah, thanks for watching.